Imagine losing your central vision, the ability to see the faces of your loved ones, to read a book, or even to recognize your own reflection. For millions of people with advanced geographic atrophy, or GA, from age-related macular degeneration, this isn't imagination, it's a daily reality. For years, the best we could hope for was to slow the disease down. But what if we could actually get that vision back today? We're talking about a groundbreaking technology that's doing just that. This isn't science fiction. A recent multi-center clinical trial for a device called the PRIMA System has shown it can meaningfully restore central vision. We're shifting the conversation from just managing a disease to actually reversing its effects. This is a huge deal for patients who had no other options. So, how does it work? The PRIMA system is incredibly elegant. It involves a tiny, wireless microchip, just 2 millimeters, that's implanted under the retina. The patient then wears a pair of sleek, augmented reality glasses. These glasses have a camera that captures the world, processes the image, and then projects a near-infrared light pattern onto the chip. This light stimulates the surviving retinal cells, bypassing the damaged photoreceptors, and creates a visual perception in the brain. It's essentially giving the eye a new, bionic light sensing layer. The results from the latest trial are nothing short of remarkable. A staggering 81% of participants saw a clinically meaningful improvement in their vision. On average, patients gained about 25 letters of visual acuity. That's like reading 5 extra lines on an eye chart. Some even gained up to 12 lines. More importantly, this isn't just about charts in a clinic. 84% of patients reported using their new prosthetic vision for daily tasks like reading. They're regaining independence, and crucially, this was all achieved without harming their existing peripheral vision. The device restores what was lost without taking anything else away. Of course, safety is paramount. The study showed that adverse events, like temporary eye pressure or minor bleeding, were manageable and resolved quickly, confirming the system's strong safety profile. So, what makes the PRIMA system a game changer? It's the first clinically validated path to restore functional central vision for this group of patients. Think about the value this creates. It's not just about seeing again. It's about reconnecting with the world. It's about being able to read to your grandchildren, recognize friends on the street, and navigate your home with confidence. This translates to better quality of life and less reliance on caregivers, which has huge economic and social benefits. Compared to other technologies, PRIMA is in a league of its own. Older retinal implants, like the 𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗢, were wired, bulky, and offered very rudimentary vision, more like detecting light and shadows. The 𝗕𝗟𝗡𝗏 was eventually discontinued because it just wasn't practical enough. PRIMA, on the other hand, is wireless, preserves side vision, and delivers functional, usable central sight. It's designed for the real world, while other therapies like injections or gene therapy focus on slowing the disease's progression. PRIMA is the only one focused on restoration. It's giving back what has been lost. What's next for this technology? The company is already working on making it even better, increasing the pixel density for sharper, higher resolution images. They're also exploring its use for other retinal conditions, which could broaden its impact even further. Strategically, the focus is on making this accessible. That means working with regulators and insurance providers to demonstrate the immense value it brings to patients' lives, justifying its cost through improved quality of life and reduced long-term care needs. Structured training programs will also be key to help patients learn to use their new vision effectively. In conclusion, the PRIMA system isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. It's creating a new category of treatment, functional restoration. For the first time, we have a viable way to bring back central vision for people with advanced dry AMD. This is the kind of innovation that gives real hope and changes lives forever. It's an exciting time in ophthalmology, and we'll be keeping a close eye on this technology as it moves towards wider availability. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information as hopeful and exciting as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on breakthroughs in health and technology. See you in the next video.